before we finish this class, I want to give you the articles for these words, okay? Not for the verbs, because the verbs have no article, but for the nouns. So let's use red. The word plato is masculine. El plato, right? The plate. The word for glass, vaso, is also masculine. El vaso. Almost always the words ending in O are masculine and the words ending in A are feminine, okay? So, la copa would be feminine. La taza, feminine. Remember, taza is a cup, like cup for drinking milk, the one that has a handle, okay? Usually made of porcelain or ceramic or chinaware. So, cubiertos is plural here, but it's masculine, okay? Los cubiertos, the cutlery. El mantel, masculine. La servilleta, for the napkin, feminine. El comedor, for the dining room. This is masculine. El comedor. The word for table is feminine. La mesa, feminine. The word for chair is also feminine. La silla. The word for fork is masculine, okay? El tenedor. Usually, when they end in R, you look at the last vowel, okay? If the last vowel is an O, it's usually masculine, right? And if it were feminine, it would probably end with A. It would be hora, okay, with an A after the R. The word for knife, cuchillo, is masculine. Cuchara for spoon is la cuchara, feminine. La botella, the bottle, is feminine. Servir means to serve. It's a verb, so it's neither feminine nor masculine. The word for cocina is feminine. La olla, the pot, is feminine. La sartén, this one does not end in A, but it does not end in O either. La sartén is feminine. La heladera, right? The refrigerator is feminine as well. La bandeja, feminine, for the tray. Verter, okay, all these are verbs, right? So these are neither feminine nor masculine, right? So here you can see whether you have to use the article el or the article la to refer to these nouns, okay? So in our next class I will show you some sentences so we practice some of these words that we have learned today.